To change your Google Play Store country, all you have to do is to open up the Google Play Store app, and then at the top you're going to see your profile icon. Go ahead and tap on that, then tap on payments and subscriptions from over here. Tap on payments method at the top, and now you want to scroll all the way to the bottom. Tap on more payment settings. This is going to launch a browser on your device, and now at the top left hand side you should see the 3-line icon. If you do not see it in your own case, then you probably have not added any payment method before. Once you find it, you want to just tap on it at the left hand side, then click on settings. Then over here you have the option to change your country or region. So you want to tap on the pencil icon, then tap on create a new profile now, click on continue, and now you can go ahead and select your preferred country. I will go with the United States, then tap on continue. At this point you also want to go ahead and fill in your name and address. Once you're done, you can tap on the submit button at the bottom over here and you're good to go. At this point, you should now be able to access contents and apps that are available in your new region. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel and drop a comment if this video was helpful, guys.